1973, the gas line stretched around the block. The big engines got quiet, and America needed a different kind of dream. My daddy drove a big V8 back when gas was 38 cents a gallon. Chrome was king and roads were wide, and Detroit thought those days would never end. Then the oil stopped flowing, the prices climbed, factories slowed and folks stood in line. They said, build us something that ordinary people can't afford. And somewhere in a boardroom, someone drew a little box on paper, and history turned. Vette. She wasn't built for glory, she wasn't built for speed. She was built for the waitress, the machinist, the teacher, the kid with a dream and a paycheck to keep. Rear wheel driving, steel wheels turning 30 miles to the gallon, and a heater that worked $1,000 cheaper than the cars we'd known before. Because sometimes survival is the greatest luxury of all. When the world gets smaller and the money gets tight, you don't need a hero, you just need a ride. Oh, the people's Vette, born in hard times and factory sweat. Not a rich man's toy, not a race track bet. On Monday in the people's Vette. Now they laugh about the horsepower and they joke about the style, but they forget what it meant to a family trying to make it, to the young couple buying their first car, to the father driving home after second shift, to the student leaving town with everything they owned packed in the hatchback. No, she wasn't a Corvette, she was something else. She was hope on a budget. All the people's Vette, carried a nation through debt and regret. When the oil ran dry and the future looked set to leave ordinary people behind, you can still place your bet on the little machine they call the people's Vette. So here's to the cars that never made the posters, the cars that never won the races, the cars that showed up every morning, turned the key, and carried America anywhere.